Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Apple Wallet for tickets, pro tips step by step clearly. Open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon to add a new pass. Choose the option for adding tickets. Select the source of your tickets, such as an email or a website. Follow the prompts to locate your ticket. If using email, open the email containing your ticket. Tap the ticket link provided in the email. Once prompted, select Add to Apple Wallet. You'll see a preview of the ticket. Tap Add in the upper right corner to confirm. To view your ticket, open the Apple Wallet app again. Find your ticket listed under Passes. Tap on your ticket to view the details. If your ticket includes a QR code, it will be displayed here. Arrive at the venue and open your Apple Wallet app. Tap on the ticket to reveal the QR code for scanning. Hold your iPhone over the scanner for easy access. If your ticket is for multiple entries or dates, check the details carefully. Make sure your phone is charged before heading to the event. Consider adding a backup of the ticket, like a screenshot, in case of technical issues. Review the event details, time, and venue ahead of your visit. Enjoy your event with the convenience of Apple Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.